Hello guys, I am Kartik from Crazy Creations and today I am going to make Emperor Fornius with Fonts Disc and the Yard Driver, but the ball in the Yard Driver will not spin freely like in the original Yard Driver. So let's get started. So at first I have cut 6 cardboard pieces like the Emperor Fornius layer, and at first stick these 3 cardboard pieces together. Let me show you after sticking. So this is how it will look like after sticking. So after that, stick these 3 cardboard pieces together and then stick it on the stick on this like this. Let me show you after sticking. So this is how the bay will look after sticking. So after this, stick a burst function system at the back like this. And I'm using super glue to stick it. You can also use hot glue gun. So let me show you after sticking. So this is how it will look like after sticking the burst function system. So the layer of the bay is fully ready. Now keep that aside. So now we are going to make the fonts disc. So to make the fonts disc, you need 6 cardboard pieces like this, as you can see. And first, stick these 2 cardboard pieces together. Let me show you after sticking. So this is how it will look like after sticking. So now, stick these 4 cardboard pieces together. And it's this. And after that, stick these 2 pieces together. Let me show you after sticking. So this is how it will look like after sticking the all cardboard pieces together. So after sticking the 6 cardboard pieces, I have taken a strip of cardboard. So after sticking the 6 pieces together, I have taken 2 strips of cardboard and I have put some super glue. So after sticking the 6 pieces together, I have taken 2 strips of the cardboard pieces and put some super glue at the side. So let's see if it fits in the bay or not. So it is working properly. So the bay and the driver is working properly. So after that, cut the extra. So this is how the driver disc will look. So the bay and the disc is ready. So now we have to make the yard driver. So guys, next I am going to make the yard driver. So to make the yard driver, as you can see, I have cut 6 green EVA foam pieces like the yard driver. You can also use cardboard also. So as you can see, in 5 pieces I have cut a hole at the center area, and I haven't cut a circle in one of them. So at first, stick these 5 pieces together. Let me show you after sticking. So after sticking the 5 pieces together, stick this piece inside it like this. Yes, like this. And I have taken it from a glue cap, and I have just taken the upper part of it. So after that, stick these here like this, as you can see. Let me show you after sticking. So this is how it will look after sticking the all pieces together. So after that I have taken the yard driver and the second piece of burst function system, and I have made a ring of paper. So stick the ring of paper on the yard driver like this, and after that stick the burst function system at the center like this. Let me show you after sticking. So this is how it will look after sticking, and I have also colored it in green color. After that, stick these 6 craft foam pieces here, 3 at each side. Wait, let me show you after sticking. So this is how it will look like after sticking, and I have hardened it with super glue. So the bay is fully completed. So let me assemble the pieces. So here is the Emperor Fornius layer, the fonts disc, and the yard driver. So let me show you. Locks very well, as you can see. So let me do a test spin. Sorry guys, I can't show you what test spin because I had broke my launcher. Yes, I will show you the test spin later, or I will do a match between the Emperor Fornius and any another bay that I am going to make next. In that video I will show you the battle. In that you can check how's the bay. So if you like today's video, please do like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel, which is Crazy Creations.